की खबर का बातें से टीवी
का umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Rockabye, no.
Rockabye, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye.
You gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Long with a little hope, you can't shame me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be.
Ka Professor Sherwin M. Sungoh kala kentaj mardor ban pedang ya ka jing sha Thung kum ka Pro Vice Chancellor jong ka Nihu Shillong campus hadin ka jing kerpat jong kisamla pulie bat kinohi ka school ba Nihu habakaran chi kisamla pulie ha ka jing alang ka belingkot ha ka khat sau tre unai we araja rap sao ka Professor Sungoh kala ong baya ka jing penpana kala shio pedang ha WhatsApp bat ong ru bahkan ong pedang da lele ru em kum ya kane ka rukom Thung kam da Vice Chancellor.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak to you regarding the situation that we are in here in the university. Yesterday when I got the notification through WhatsApp, immediately when I looked at the notification, I saw that nothing was correctly done. Now, I felt that the notification that has been sent to me through WhatsApp was not appropriate. Till now, I have not even received a proper or formal letter or notification in black and white. So I do not accept this offer which has just been sent to me through the WhatsApp. And that is point number one. And when I looked at the notification, I saw that the signatory of this notification was not appropriate and it was not coming from the appropriate authority. Thirdly, this fight that you are doing here. Now, I've been with you right from day one, and I support you in every way that I can. And I've been working here in this university for about 35 years as a teacher. And I have seen how the university has progressed. And I know what are the difficulties that the students are facing. As a mother and as a teacher, I really feel for the students especially because, we are here for you and we have to see what you require and what you need. So, I really feel that this is a very good move that you have made, and I want to applaud. I want to, thank the student body for this particular issue that you have taken up. And I'm sure that everything you do, you have the support of all the teachers from both the Nehusa, the Meta, and the Nehunsa as well. So my dear students, please do not give up. Please fight for your cause, and we hope and pray that this university will grow again to its the best as it was earlier in the previous years. So once again, I would like to also inform you that I have not accepted this. Thank you so much for this privilege of giving you this information, and I wish you all the very best.